everyone, welcome to another video of my cooking channel. In this video we are going to be making some spark cookies. What we'll need is some peanut butter cookies, some Reese's peanut butter cups, and some chocolate chips melted. And what we'll need to do is we will need to take a Reese's peanut butter cup and have it like this to where the widest part will be facing to the bottom. Then we'll place it like this in the cookie. And then we will need to do that for all of the peanut butter cookies. Okay, and then we will need one of these things filled with the melted chocolate. Then we will push it and kind of create legs with it. And if it's not perfect, then that's okay. Then we are going to do that to all of the cookies.